Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. TICARVE 2-Pack Cleaning Gel Car Putty Slime. Car Putty is perfect for cleaning the nooks and crannies in your auto. Car Gel is super great to get into the vents and little crevices on the car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards to pick up the. Number 2. TICARVE Cleaning Gel. Car Cleaning Gel is perfect for clean the nooks and crannies in your auto. Car Putty is super great to get into the vents and little crevices on the car air vents, steering wheels, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboards to pick up the dirt. Number 3. PULIDIKI Car Cleaning Gel Universal Detailing Kit. Perfect car cleaning tool. PULIDIKI Cleaning Gel for car detailing is designed to clean car air vents, steering wheel, console panel, storage bins, cup holder, door handles, dashboard and other hard-to-reach places. Car slime for cleaning is car essentials for women and men to clean your car. Number 4. THINKWORK Car Detail Duster Kit. Including 5 detail brush, 2 cleaning gel, 1 car window brush, 1 watering can, 3 cleaning pad, 2 air vent brushes, 1 duster brush, 1 cleaning towel, 1 woven bag. Help saving room for your car. Add tin foil and plastic wrapping to our cleaning soft gels to prevent them from leaking out. Number 5. Fram FEK 40005-01 Car Cleaning Gel. Take out the Fram cleaning gel from the box and knead it several times with dry hands. Place it on the targeted surface and press it gently on the gaps and crevasses. Pull the car cleaning gel around to remove the dirt and dust.